Most kitchens are not inefficient because of space. They're inefficient because of the tools. And once you see these, you'll realize how much easier cooking can actually be. In this video, we're going through 20 clever Amazon kitchen gadgets that save time, reduce effort, and make everyday cooking feel way more smooth and enjoyable. Some of these are surprisingly powerful, and a few are things you didn't even know you needed. So stick around, because the smartest upgrades are coming up. All product links are in the description, so let's get into it. Starting off strong with something that instantly speeds up prep time, this electric vegetable chopper takes the hassle out of cutting and dicing. This handles chopping, mincing, and pureeing in seconds, saving you from manual effort and uneven cuts. This is compact, easy to use, and perfect for quick meal prep every day. If you cook regularly and want to save time without sacrificing consistency, this is a huge upgrade. You'll typically find this in the $20–40 range, making it a smart and affordable kitchen essential. Right after that, this pan scraper makes cleaning cookware much faster without damaging surfaces. This is designed especially for cast iron, pots, and pans, removing stuck-on food without scratching or needing harsh scrubbing. This small tool is incredibly durable and easy to use, making cleanup less frustrating after cooking. If you deal with stubborn residue regularly, this gives you a quick and efficient solution. Most options fall in the $5–15 range, making it one of the simplest upgrades that delivers real, everyday convenience in your kitchen. Now this one's a serious upgrade for modern kitchens. This smart air fryer does way more than just frying. This handles roasting, baking, reheating, and even dehydrating with consistent results using minimal oil. This features a ceramic coating and multiple cooking modes, making it perfect for everyday meals without complicated settings. If you want healthier cooking while still keeping great taste and texture, this becomes a reliable option. You'll usually find this in the $80–150 range, making it a valuable addition for upgrading your kitchen setup. Meanwhile, this portable double induction cooktop gives you extra cooking power without taking up permanent space in your kitchen. This includes 2 burners with precise temperature control and touch sensors, making it ideal for small kitchens, apartments, or even travel use. This heats quickly, cooks evenly, and includes built-in safety features for better control. If you need flexibility in your cooking setup, this offers both performance and convenience. Most models fall in the $80–140 range, making it a practical and efficient upgrade for everyday cooking needs. Here's something especially useful for quick flatbread preparation. This electric Roti Maker simplifies making chapati, tortillas, and similar breads at home. This uses a non-stick surface and even heating to deliver consistent results with less manual effort. This is ideal for everyday cooking, especially if you prepare fresh breads regularly. If you want to save time while maintaining quality and consistency, this is a helpful addition. You'll typically find this in the $40–80 range, making it a convenient and efficient kitchen tool worth considering. Let's keep things moving with something you'll use daily. This blender handles smoothies, shakes, and food prep with powerful performance. This easily blends frozen ingredients, fruits, and liquids into smooth, consistent textures without much effort or extra preparation time. This is ideal for quick breakfasts, healthy drinks, and regular meal prep routines at home. If you want a reliable appliance that handles multiple tasks efficiently, this is a great option. Most models fall in the $50–120 range, offering strong performance and everyday convenience in your kitchen. Up next, this electric kettle makes boiling water faster, safer, and more efficient compared to traditional stovetop methods used daily. This features auto shutoff and boil dry protection, along with LED indicators that make operations simple and user-friendly. This is perfect for tea, coffee, instant meals, and other quick cooking needs throughout the day. If you rely on hot water frequently, this becomes one of the most used appliances in your kitchen. You'll usually find this in the $20–50 range, making it a simple yet practical addition. Now this one adds both convenience and style. This smart digital toaster upgrades your breakfast routine instantly with better control. This features wide slots for thick bread and bagels, along with a responsive touchscreen for precise toasting levels. This ensures even browning while adding a modern look to your kitchen setup without extra effort. If you want more consistency and control in your daily meals, this is a great upgrade. Most models are available in the $60–120 range, combining functionality with a sleek and modern design overall. Right after that, this Sous Vide precision cooker takes home cooking to a professional level with accurate temperature control. This cooks food evenly by circulating water at exact temperatures, delivering restaurant-quality results without constant monitoring or guesswork. This is perfect for meats, vegetables, and delicate recipes that require precision and consistency. If you want to improve cooking, texture, and overall results, this is a powerful tool. You'll typically see this in the $70 to $150 range, making it a premium upgrade for serious home cooks and enthusiasts. Now, this one's perfect for quick meals and convenience. This soup maker machine simplifies preparing soups without constant monitoring or stirring. This blends and cooks ingredients in one unit, saving time while reducing effort during busy cooking routines. This features built-in safety sensors and self-cleaning functions, making it easy to use and maintain every day. If you enjoy homemade soups but want a simpler process, this makes everything smooth and efficient. Most options fall in the $60 to $130 range, offering both convenience and versatility in one appliance. Quick pause. If you've seen something useful so far, all product links are waiting for you right in description below. Moving into precision cooking, this digital kitchen scale helps you measure ingredients accurately for better results every time. This supports grams and ounces, making it perfect for baking, meal prep, or even calorie tracking. This is compact, easy to use, and improves consistency in your recipes instantly. If you want more control over portions and ingredient accuracy, this becomes an essential tool. Most models fall in the $10 to $25 range, making it a small investment that significantly improves your cooking precision. Next up, this electric lunchbox keeps your food warm wherever you are. This plugs into standard outlets or even car adapters, heating meals evenly without needing a microwave. This is perfect for work, travel, or long commutes where access to fresh, hot food is limited. If you want a simple way to enjoy warm meals anytime, this makes it effortless. You'll usually find this in the $25 to $50 range, offering both portability and everyday practicality. Moving forward, this portable countertop reverse osmosis water filter delivers clean, purified water without complex installation. This uses multi-stage filtration along with UV purification to remove impurities and improve taste. This is compact enough for small kitchens while still delivering high-quality water on demand. If you care about water quality and convenience, this is a smart addition. Most units are priced in the $150 to $300 range, making it a premium but highly valuable long-term investment. After that, this cordless electric power scrubber makes deep cleaning your kitchen faster and easier. This uses rotating brush heads to remove stubborn grease, stains, and buildup without excessive manual effort. This is water resistant and comes with multiple attachments for different surfaces. If you want to save time while maintaining a spotless kitchen, this is a game changer. You'll typically see this in the $30 to $80 range, making it a practical tool for maintaining cleanliness effortlessly. Next up, this two-tier food steamer lets you cook multiple items at the same time without mixing flavors. This uses stackable baskets to prepare vegetables, fish, and more while preserving nutrients and taste. This is simple to operate and perfect for quick, balanced meals. If you want a healthier way to cook without added oils, this is a great addition. Most options fall in the $30 to $70 range, offering both convenience and versatility in your daily cooking routine. Moving on, this electric Panini press grill makes sandwiches, wraps, and grilled snacks effortlessly. This features non-stick plates and opens flat for versatile cooking options. This heats evenly and is easy to clean, making it ideal for everyday use. If you enjoy fast, delicious meals without much prep, this becomes a go-to appliance. You'll usually find this in the $30 to $80 range, combining convenience with consistent cooking performance. Now stepping into essentials, this knife set with block gives you everything you need for precise cutting and food prep. This includes multiple knives designed for slicing, chopping, and mincing with consistent sharpness. This keeps your tools organized while improving efficiency during cooking. If you want to upgrade your kitchen basics, this is a must-have addition. Most sets are available in the $40 to $120 range, offering durability, performance, and convenience all in one complete package. Right after that, this electric hand hand mixer simplifies baking and mixing tasks without requiring bulky equipment. This comes with whisk attachments and dough hooks, making it perfect for batters, creams, and light dough preparation. This is lightweight, easy to control, and quick to clean after use. If you bake regularly or enjoy making desserts at home, this is a great time-saving tool. You'll typically see this in the $20–50 range, making it an affordable upgrade for everyday baking needs. Now let's talk about this pancake batter dispenser. It helps you pour batter evenly without spills or uneven portions. This gives you better control when making pancakes, waffles, cupcakes, or muffins. This reduces waste and keeps your cooking area cleaner while improving consistency. If you want perfect portions every time, this is a simple but effective upgrade. Most options fall in the $10–25 range, making it a small addition that improves your baking experience instantly. And finally, this heated ice cream scoop makes serving hard ice cream effortless. This gently warms the scoop to glide through frozen desserts without bending or struggle. This includes temperature control and rechargeable functionality for consistent performance. If you've ever struggled with rock-hard ice cream, this solves that problem instantly. You'll usually find this in the $20–40 range, making it a fun yet practical upgrade for everyday dessert lovers. That's it for these clever kitchen gadgets that actually make cooking easier and more enjoyable. If you found something useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And check the description for all product links.